Happy Thursday, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. I am on my way to go get my brows laminated. This is the last of my appointments for the week. I might go to the mall. I want to buy my friend Lisa a gift for her birthday, which is not until next month. But our schedules just get really crazy busy. So I just want to make sure that I give her her birthday gift ASAP, because I don't know when I'll see her again. We're gonna have dinner tonight at North Italia. So anywho, yeah, that's all I got right now. So I will see you at my brow lamination. I got my brows laminated and they're looking super jacked up right now, because that's what happens after a brow lamination. They don't look perfect, but after 24 hours, you can brush them however you want. I slicked my hair back, like major, because I'm in between washes. And I used this Bedhead hair stick, which works amazing. If you're looking to get that really tight, sleeked ponytail, I recommend this little hair stick. This right here is pretty much what my hair is going to look like in Miami, because I have heard that it is super duper humid, so curls will not hold, and there's no point of me, you know, straightening my hair, because, you know, it's just going to get probably poofy. I'm just going to slick my hair back in a chongo or in a tight bun, and I'm going to probably go to Ulta and buy another one of these. So this right here is the extent of what my hair is going to look like. Unfortunately, I have that situation there. I think the little black powder that you use to touch up gray will help with filling in some of this bald spot there. What else do I got for you? That's it. I'm gonna just get ready and head out and meet my girlfriend. So I will chat later. Really quick mini Ulta and Sephora haul. I picked up a few things, more things than I needed, but I have to buy, sometimes I have to buy double because I leave stuff in Harlingen. Okay, let me do Sephora. So I bought 2 shampoos and a conditioner in the KÉRASTASE line, and I'm not one to return products. I hate that, but I asked them if I'm not 100% satisfied with the shampoos, can I return after one use? And they said absolutely. So I'm going to give these a shot. I did the CHROMA Absolute, and this is sulfate free, and this is a shampoo for damaged or color treated hair, medium to thick. So I'm going to try this. I didn't buy the conditioner for this. I just wanted to make sure that it was completely sulfate free, and since I do color my hair on my own, I thought, let me pull this back a little bit. I thought I'd give it a shot. So I got this. I'm gonna give it a try. And I bought this one, and this, oh, by the way, this is in the CHROMA Absolute line. And this one is in the Premier line, and this one is for all types of damaged hair, which my hair is not damaged. So it's a reparative shampoo, and this is in the Premier line. And it is also sulfate free. So I got that, and I also got the conditioner for that. Conditioners really don't matter because, you know, it's a conditioner. So I got that to go with the shampoo. And I had been hearing a lot of good stuff of the Caudal. I always thought it was Claudel, but it's the Caudali. I can't pronounce this, but it's the Beauty Elixir. So it's kind of just like a refreshing face mist. So I'm gonna take this on our trip, and it's a small size that I can pack in my toiletry bag. And of course, every time I stop by Sephora, I pick up a Rare Beauty in the color Wise, which is my go-to lip liner. So that's what I got from Sephora. And Ulta, I picked up quite a bit. I picked up some nibby covers, which these are my favorite, and this is for medium skin tones, and these are the larger ones. I picked up a NYX eyebrow pencil. I absolutely love this eyebrow pencil, and this is in the color black. And I picked up 2 of these Bedhead hair sticks. You guys, I'm obsessed with this since I started wearing my hair like really slicked back. I actually bought 2 of these so that I can leave one in Harlingen, but you just push it up. Oops, that's a lot. And then, like, I have a little flyaway right there, so I'm just gonna glide it over. This stuff is amazing. Like, it really slicks your hair back, and it's so good. So I got 2 of these, and a little goes a long way, so you don't really have to use a lot. And the beauty about this product is it doesn't leave your hair like all white and flaky. So I got 2 of these, and I bought a brush because I've been using my husband's brush, and he hates when I use his brushes because I leave long hair in it. So I got this brush. It was only like $10 just so that I can slick my hair back. So I got this little brush, and I got the Wow hair powder, like the root cover up, but I'm going to use it right here. And I'm sure that there's going to be times that I just like, I get all my gray right here and right up here, and I can just touch it up. Hopefully I don't perspire because I don't know if it'll come off, but I really bought it for here. So that is in the color black. I don't know if I mentioned, I tried the lash extensions and they look so beautiful, but lash extensions for my lifestyle as far as workouts did not work. The gal was amazing. Like, she did a really good job and they look so beautiful, but I was doing hot works, I run, and I tend to perspire a lot, and the lash extensions lasted like, I'm not kidding, like less than a week. They started to fall out, and I thought, I can't be spending money like that on lashes. So yeah, I just do a little bit of serum and it helps my lashes grow, and I don't think they'll ever do the lash extensions again. But speaking of, I bought these little extensions for Miami. I'm just gonna use them like on the corner right here. And these are the press on falsies, no glue needed. It's like just press and go. So I'm gonna give these a shot for Miami. I think these would be a nice thing to have for our glam nights. And I bought sunscreen. I bought the Unseen sunscreen body and the SPF 40, and I bought the 50 stick for my face and my husband's face tomorrow at the pool, because I don't think my husband's going to be hanging out at the pool with us. Not the pool, but the beach in Miami. So I did the 100% mineral stick with olive fruit extract and SPF 50 for my face. And then I also bought an SPF 50 face mist, super spritz. Also, I'm gonna take that, and then an extra of the hair stick. But that is my really quick. So my guy Ryan is amazing. I love him. He cuts my hair, and he gifted me a big iconic ceramic professional round brush. So that was really, really nice of Ryan. So if you guys are in the San Antonio area or surrounding areas, Ryan Garrett's salon, he's amazing. He's I tag him on my Instagram post, so you guys might want to check it out, but I'll leave the information linked below. But anyway, I'm gonna go home. I'm starving. We're not gonna go have Thai because I-10 is backed up. They closed the ramp up, so we're not gonna go in that direction. We're just gonna stay in the Bernie area, which is fine with me. I just want to spend time with my honey. All right, that's it. Talk to you guys later. Good morning, everyone. I am getting ready for church service. I will show you my dress in just a second, but let me show you what I started packing for our trip to Miami. This is what I will be taking with me to Miami. I'm still gonna throw in a couple of more items, but these are my swimsuits. I showed you these in my last video. I went ahead and bought this one in black, but this one, I didn't buy the triangle top. I bought the bandeau. And then I bought this little wrap, which goes to another bathing suit, but I think this combination right here looks really, really pretty. This is by Antonio Milani. I have some underwear. I have this little suit right here. I have this little outfit right here that I'll be wearing probably Wednesday night. It's got a really, really cute skirt. I'll make sure to show you guys my entire outfit. This little dress right here is by Misa, Los Angeles. I bought it from Revolve. It is the cutest little dress. It is off the shoulder, and the back is actually a little longer than the front. The only thing is that I'm not sure if I'm going to do these shoes or these shoes. These are the nudist song, and these are just the regular nudist. I just want to feel comfortable, so I'm thinking I'm going to end up doing these as opposed to these, because I don't know how much walking we're going to do, and I just definitely want to feel comfortable. And then I bought these little shorts from Zara, which are super duper cute. I'm going to wear it with this little Joa Brown tank. And I actually bought these as well. I think they're kind of like the same style, but just different colors. It has like this really cute hem. This one has the same hem, super duper cute. I believe this one did have a blouse that it came with, but I'm gonna wear it with a tank. And this belt right here is reversible, so I'm gonna do the white, or no, I'm lying. I'm gonna do the black side of the Chanel belt. But let me show you these amazing little platforms that I bought from YSL. I'm definitely gonna take these with me because I think these platforms will look nice with this outfit. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? These are, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but these are the platforms that I bought from Saks. Are they beautiful or what? I don't know. Like, I might wear them with these shorts as well, but I think this right here will look so nice with this belt. So I'm definitely gonna take these. All right, so here is my dress. This little dress is from Dish. I almost ordered the white one. It is super cute. It has this really cute detailed little rose. You can actually take it off. I will be throwing over my pashmina and throwing down my hair, and then I'm just gonna wear my Dior sandals that I have been wearing so much. I did buy these in pink. I gotta hurry up because it's already 9 o'clock and I don't want to continue walking in during worship. So I will chat with you guys a little bit later on. I ordered some sweatshirts from Anine. I am obsessed with her sweatshirts. I've ordered a couple of t-shirts from her. However, I think that they're not that well made because they get holes. I don't know if anybody else experiences that with her t-shirts, but the little tags from the back, like, they come apart and then they leave like a big hole. And that's kind of annoying because you're paying over $100 for these t-shirts and you would think that the quality would be a little better. But when it comes to her sweatshirt, hands down, they're the best. So I ordered 2, and I did buy them oversized because I like to throw them over my pajamas year round. She's having her sale right now. I bought this one in a size medium. It's gonna be huge. And this one also is oversized. How cute is this? Super cozy. I'll probably take one of these with me to Miami or maybe not because it's gonna take a lot of room, but I'm definitely taking one to Harlingen. So yeah, I'm gonna continue packing. I'm gonna put them in my cubes, get all organized, because I do have to take workout clothes for Harlingen because we'll be there an extra week after we get back from Miami. And I need to take my steamer. I have a load of stuff that I'm taking to Harlingen. So I need to get organized. I'm feeling really, really lazy right now because it's super hot outside, you guys, and super humid. So I guess that's it for now. I will see you guys in Miami. Bye.